Okay, this new series from Seiko is called the Brandon series. This is models QHE114KLH and SLH in black and white. These stopwatch clocks are incredible. They come in black or silver casing, luminous hands and numerals, quiet sweep second hand, stopwatch, and countdown timer. I mean, really? You could actually take this to the track. What a great gift. It actually has a built-in stopwatch on it and a reverse counter, which is incredible. I like both the styles. This would be a great gift for any person who runs or any coach.